How to get 60% Postmates coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Postmates coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Postmates. This is the legit website. Now you can scroll down. You can see the offers $100 off, 50% off, 70% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Postmates. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Postmates. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon. In this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Postmates. So this way you can easily get up to 60% working coupon code for Postmates. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.